This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing your canvas and bringing the emoji into Photoshop. Open or create the document at your target size, then place the emoji file using File Place Embedded so it becomes a smart object. Once placed, use Free Transform to scale and rotate. Hold Shift for proportional scaling if needed. Make sure the emoji layer sits above the elements you want it over. This immediate placement avoids rework later and lets you test composition before detailed editing. Once the emoji is placed, decide whether to rasterize or keep it as a smart object. Smart objects preserve quality for scaling. You then refine integration. Add a layer mask and paint with black or white to hide or reveal parts, which gives non-destructive control. Make sure to adjust opacity and try blend modes like multiply or screen to match lighting. When done, apply layer styles such as drop, shadow, or stroke, and subtle Gaussian blur if you need a softer edge. This helps the emoji. To finish, organize by grouping the emoji and related adjustment layers so you can toggle them together. Use non-destructive adjustments like curves or color balance to match color and contrast. Then export with Export As or Save for web, choosing PNG 24 for transparency. If something goes wrong, make sure anti-aliasing is on, increase the document resolution before scaling, or apply a small feather to your layer mask to remove jagged edges. This troubleshooting keeps your final image crisp and cohesive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.